Hi everyone and welcome to my place. A wonderful viewer from the UK sent me this recipe after me moaning and complaining about having frizzy, uncontrollable hair, and trust me, under all of this it's just like kaboom. Well, this is an amazing solution, and she called it a DIY recipe for conditioning anti-frizz hair spray solution. It is fantastic and it is so easy to put together. You need a mixing bowl, you need 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, you need 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut, and you need half a cup of rose water. I prefer the rose water to the witch hazel because I found it was just a little bit too astringent, even though the rose is a bit astringent. If you didn't have any rose, you could also use orange blossom water, would work equally as well. And then you need about 5 drops of, let me just see what I put into here, 5 drops of peppermint. And the lovely lady who lent me this recipe has said that the essential oil is a beautiful fragrance and it also helps to stimulate hair growth. So it's just a matter of adding your 2 tablespoons of aloe vera, and I must just thank Pure Nature here in New Zealand for the products. They're all organic and all organically sustainable, and oh, they're just fantastic. And then 1 tablespoon of the fractionated coconut goes into there, and then half a cup of your rose water goes into there. Put that into there. In fact, I'll just put that there so that I don't make a mess. And then 5 drops of your essential oil of peppermint. Put those into there. That into there, no more, no less. Give that, hold on, I'll just make a wee noise for a minute. A little spoon, give that a good stir up. And a trusty little whisk. Oh, it does smell beautiful. And then we need a little spray bottle, and I've actually got the name of it, anti-frizz hair conditioner. And then that goes into there like so. And let's just hope that everything goes into this container, because if it doesn't, oh, it's like sounds like Rotorua and the Geysers. Perfect, that'll do for now. And I'll put that into a little one that I take in my bag. So it's just onto wet hair or dry hair. It's just a matter of giving it a spritz, brushing it through, or just scrunching it through, and you are set to go. I keep mine in the fridge and it lasts about a month because it doesn't have any other preservatives into it. Give it a go. Tell me what you think. I think it's fantastic. So thank you to the lovely lady who sent me the recipe. I wish you'd given me your name, but you didn't. It was just numbers. But anyway, it's a fantastic product and it's well worth sharing. If you have any really good DIY recipes that you think that we would all like here at Astar's Place, please do not hesitate to send them to astarsplace@gmail. Hope you enjoyed that. I enjoyed sharing it with you and I really like it on my hair. See you again another day.